Hello students, continue with our business statistic class. In this lecture, we are also studying the conditional probability, but in these questions table, or you may say one data is given, out of that we are finding the conditional probability. So let's explain the questions. From the students of 200, following data are declared: result, pass, fail and total, boys, girls and total. Students, some of the questions total are not given, but at the time you are solve the questions, you are itself finding the total. Out of that, one student is selected at random from 200 students. Out of that, we are selecting only one student. Here, three conditions is given. First of all, we are explaining this data, or you may say this table. After that, we are solving one by one conditions. First of all, here we are giving alphabetical words that can be solved very easily. Three conditions. Here, the student pass, it is A, and fail, it is A dash. Same as boys means B and girls means B dash. Now in inner side, here A and B both are merged, same as here A intersection B. So fail, A dash intersection B. Same as here in girl, A intersection B dash. Same as A dash intersection B dash. Now in total, here the column of boys is P of B. Here girls, P of B dash. Same as passing, P of A, and here P of A dash. Same as here is N. So let's start with first conditions. Find the probability that the selected student pass given that he is a boy. Simple hits as per the detail. First of all, we are explaining here P of A, P of A dash. See, P of A is how many? P of A is 160, right? 160 upon 200. P of A dash is 40, 40 upon 200. Now P of B and P of B dash. P of B is 150. Total is 200. B dash is 50. Total 200. Now P of A intersection B, same as here. P of A dash intersection B. here A intersection B is 120 out of 200. Here 30 out of 200. And last, P of A intersection B dash and P of A dash intersection B dash. Here is 40 upon 200 and 10 upon 200. See the students, here in box the detail is given. We are arranging it in simple method. After that, now we are arranging one part, or you may say different conditions which are given in equations. First, the selected students is pass given that or both. Now first condition, selected student is pass given that he is boy. Now students, proper understanding of this statement. First of all, selected student is pass. See here, pass means A. Given that he is a boy. He is a boy means B. A condition B. Here given A condition B. A condition B means P of A intersection B upon last is P of B. Now find A intersection B is 120 upon 200 and B is 150 upon 200. So 120 upon 200, 200 upon 150. 150 upon, so here answer is 4/5. Here 30 multiplied 4 and here 30 multiplied 5. 30 cancel, 4 upon 5. Now second condition, find the probability that the selected student is girl. Right, first of all, given that she is failed. Now we are connecting with this. First of all, student is girl. Here girl. She is failed. Failed means this. Condition we are right. First of all, student is girl means B dash. Oblique. She is failed. Failed means A dash. See the students. P of A dash intersection B dash upon P of A dash. Now P of A dash intersection B dash is 10 upon 200 upon A dash. A dash means 40 upon 200. 10 into 200 to 200 upon 40. 200 cancel. 10 upon 40 means 1 upon 4. Now in third condition, the probability that selected student is pass. Right here. C is girl. Pass means here. And C is girl. Girl means here. A oblique B dash. A oblique B dash. Now arranging the formula. P of A intersection B dash upon B dash. A intersection B dash. A intersection B dash. 40 upon 200. And B dash means 50 upon 200. 40 upon 200. 200 upon 50. Yet both are 200 cut. 40 upon 50 means 4 upon 5. See the students, three conditions we are verified in terms of, you may say, the help of this table. I think you are clearly understand and very easy some students for exam. Less time and more marks. It is a conditional probability sum and very easy. Thank you.